Hi and welcome to Indulge Vlogs. Today I'm standing at one of the most luxurious hotels in Calcutta, and here we are for a very special culinary pop-up. I am not going to reveal to you what is the cuisine that we are going to taste, but I can promise you that it is going to be very interesting, and it is here for at least a week. So come follow us. And we have with us Chef Ame from A Origins, and behind us is a wonderful table of curated food. We are still not telling you which cuisine it is, but we will request Chef to take us through some of the specialties.
Yes.
Chef, can you tell us a little bit about what do we have for the dinner and lunch?
Yes. So this is a spread of, I would say, the abode of clouds, or we all know Meghalaya, and we're known for coming from a place as the abode of clouds. And we have an endless spread for you, where we've also highlighted few ingredients which we have brought all the way from Meghalaya to this wonderful place to showcase our culinary heritage. For example, so we don't have garam masala, jeera, dhania powder as such, but we have masala like Szechuan peppercorns, or jayur we call it. We have this is also the powdered version of it. This is a spread of the seasonal greens that we have. This is a very special ingredient. It's a citrus which is found only during the season. This is also another one of the edibles that we have in season. We call it, it belongs to the garlic family. These are the berries which is in very much in season right now. This is the famous, we call it Somilkan Bep, or the ghost chili. And these are tree tomato, which belongs to the tomato family. We come from a place where we really take care of producers naturally, and we use the technique of the sun-dried or the the fermentation, as well as making use of what we have in our surroundings. For example, these are basically your skin. There's this particular fish called ktung popper, and this is basically a skin which we have sun dried it for a very long time. Yeah, we have this smoked chicken which we have particularly sourced it from a village called Latlo, yeah, or Smith. And then these are the other variations of the fish, this fermented fish, as well as the dried version.
So, Chef, tell us a little bit about the items that are there.
Yes. Okay. So yes, we here in this particular dish we call it as the bamboo shoot in black sesame, and to give some heat of spice, we've added some of the king chili or the bhukjilokia. Yeah. Here we have a famous black dal, which we've infused it with some of the chayote or just one of the squash. Yeah. And yes, we are known to have different kinds of varieties of rice. So this rice is particularly made from the black rice, like you can see. And then we love our salads. Like in every meal, we need to have one salad. In in a day or two, we have to have it almost every day. So for example, here it's just a humble celebration of oranges and pomelo, and we have our pork salad as well here, which we have mixed it with some eggs just to give the right texture to the entire meal. This is a very humble mashed potato with lots of ginger, as well as some coriander and mustard oil. That's it. And yes, we love our tubers, we love our root vegetables. This is just a sweet potato drizzled with some honey and some perilla seeds. That's it.
Right. And tell us something about meat, which is also a very popular ingredient.
Yes. So we can't go without having meat, right? I think it's because of the geographical location that we come from. Naturally, our body needs something to be, to warm up our system. So I think because of that, we love a lot. We have a lot of our non-vegetarian options. If you look back to the old history, we've realized that our ancestors were very smart. That since in order for us to be able to consume meat throughout the year, what they've done is they've started preserving by smoking the meat. We smoke meat in different ways. For example, by using a charcoal or by using these particular woods, I would say, which is presently, it depends upon the availability during the season. So yes, so we smoke a lot of meat. We also have it, straight from the butchery, and perhaps cook it. And then we also make a lot of pickles in order for us to have different ways to consume it. So we've just started it on the 21st, and the last day is till the 30th of March.